no. Anyways, I'm using a standard mic. I'm still learning the gimbal. I got to put my hands way up here for you to see them. I wish there was a way to turn it down, but you know, hey. So let me see. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, look at that. That is cool. Cause I'm not moving anything. The gimbal's doing it, right? That's pretty cool. So I apologize. Well, actually, let me move this thing over a little bit. I bet that would help with the lighting. All right, come on down. There we go. So what we're up to today is we're going to test out our gluing of the PVC. We got some clamps. We got some glue inside. Over. Hi. Hey. You know what would be neat is if I can get it to... Yeah, okay. Hey, that's not bad. So it's locked on to right here instead. So put my head about where I want it to be. But if I tilt down like... Wow, that's cool. Alright. So, like I said, this is kind of a test for the gimbal. This is doing a lot better, so I apologize for the light. I apologize for the audio not being 100%. But, hey, it is what it is, right? So, we're doing the test glue up of the PVC, right? We're going to see what happens. So, tonight, I'm going to cheat a little bit, right? I want to air test it to see if it's going to hold. Now, let's see if the gimbal will follow me here. Come on, gimbal. Alright, it did lose me. So, there, look right there. Good job. It's like, well, I'm a little bit lost. Here, let's maybe try here. There you go. Hey, I like that. Okay, so anyways, we got some fittings. We're going to hook it up to the air compressor tomorrow. So I guess I need to start over. But I mean, you know, it's mostly trouble with the gimbal. But, so we're on to the PVC test glue up.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. Didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the banya, I was covered in a tidal wave. In a tidal wave.
Trouble getting it in there. Show on the road.
You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when a spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. One day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, and one day you will see, I found my inner beast, and you watch it release.